Jai Srimanarayana. 18th sloka of 16th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Ahankaram Balam Darpam Kamam Krodhancha Samsritaha ಮಾಮಾತ್ಮ ಪರದೇಹೇಷು ಪ್ರದ್ವಿಷಂತಃ ಅಭ್ಯಸೂಯಕಾಃ ಓಂ. Do not get taken over by egoism, desire, power, arrogance, and wrath. Do not hate Sri Krishna Paramatma, who is there in your body and in everyone's body. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall never get taken over by egoism, power, wrath, desire, and arrogance. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall never hate you. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam ಮುಹುರಹೋ ರಸಿಕಾ ಭುವಿ ಭಾವುಕಾಃ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಸುಕ ಯೋಗೀಂದ್ರ. ಯಂ ಪ್ರವ್ರಜಂತಮನುಪೇತಮಪೇತಕೃತ್ಯಂ ದ್ವೈಪಾಯನೋ ವಿರಹಕಾತರ ಆಜುಹಾವ ಪುತ್ರೇತಿ ತನ್ಮಯತಯಾ ತರವೋಭಿನೇದುಃ ತಂ ಸರ್ವಭೂತಹೃದಯಂ ಮುನಿಮಾನತೋಸ್ಮಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ನರನಾರಾಯಣ ಚತುರ್ಮುಖ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಸರಸ್ವತೀ ದೇವಿ ವ್ಯಾಸ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಓಂ ಹರಯೇ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮು ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂಧಮು 10th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ 326th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, now Brindavanam, the rain season came in Brindavanam with so much of thunders, so much of lightning, the entire akasam, space is filled up with beautiful and bluish clouds. It is like Brahma Sagunam Achannamiva, as and how pure soul, Suddhatma, is masked by Trigunas, just like that space is covered by all the clouds. Surya Bhagavan, he drinks the water from all the sources of this earth for 8 months. Then when it is time, when it is right time, he will release all that water, which is a great wealth, and he will release that for Loka Kalyanam. Preenanam Jeevanam hi asya mumuchuhu karunaiva. As and how compassionate, enlightened, great souls always craves for world's welfare, and even they do not hesitate to put their lives for that. Just like that, the clouds are giving away their life. That means the water for the world's welfare, and their clouds are showering their water for Loka Kalyanam. Oh Parikshit Narendra, when this earth is suffering from so much of heat, when it is right time, the Vana Deva, Parjanya Deva, that means clouds, the rain comes and again helps this entire Bhumi to become very much nourished. This is also just like when any wish to be fulfilled, if anyone does any tapasya, at that time their body will be suffered and gets weakened. But after that tapasya, the result comes. When that result comes, when the wish is fulfilled, again that person will get nourished bodily and also mentally. Just like that, this Bhumi is getting nourished by water, by rain. Cheluvudu pravrut kaludu polasina pulakinchi bhumi. Rain is like a lover. When that lover comes and touches this Bhumi, this earth is getting goosebumps. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogendra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namara Shatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 16th chapter, 18th sloka. Ahankaram balam darpam kamam krodhancha samshritaha mamatma paradeheshu pradvishantobhyasuyakaha. Ahankaram balam darpam kamam krodhancha samshritaha mamatma paradeheshu pradvishantobhyasuyakaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.